How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on iPhone. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to general and then check your software. So make sure that you're on the latest software and you're not on some outdated software version. So if you have any software update available, just update. And after you do that, you might want to go and check your storage. Go to iPhone storage and check if you have enough storage. So if you don't have enough storage, that might be the reason why your photos are not getting saved on your camera roll. So make sure that you have enough storage, and if you do not have enough storage, you can always offload apps that you have not used. So as you can see under the recommendations too, that I can save a lot of GB after I just offload some apps. So you can check out which apps that you don't want and remove them too. You can uninstall them too completely. So after doing that, if you still are facing problem with your photos not getting saved, you can simply restart your phone. If you're using your assistive touch, you can go to it and tap on device, tap on more, and there you will see the restart option. And if that does not work, you can force restart by simply just long pressing on your volume up button and quickly releasing it, long pressing on your volume down button and quickly releasing that, and just long press on your power button, and after your Apple logo appears, just let it go and your iPhone will restart. After doing that, your problem will get fixed and you are good to go. So yeah, that is all for this video guys. That is how you fix your photos not saving to your camera roll.